Are you afraid? Oh boy, this raining season now, this typhoon in Philippines
Oh
is
my
too much.
God.
I think today is the worst one, bruh.
Yesterday and today.
Thank God, say you get car. If you don't have car now, you suffer too much. And your car is not big car.
Division is saying, Mama, it's good today to eat that Korean soup. Korean noodles. I tell him later I will buy. Said, sure ka? Said, yes, if I come back. Ay, grabe. Kung hindi talaga kami naghanap ng baki, guys, hindi talaga kami magpaulan.